Bitcoin hovers around $71,000. Ether stays below $3,700. London Stock Exchange to launch Bitcoin and Ethereum ETN market on May 28. SWIFT to connect multiple CBDCs in one platform by 2026. IMF recommends stablecoins and CBDCs to boost Pacific Island economies. Cathie Wood's ARK dumps $31 million in Robinhood stock, stacks Roblox. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Virtual digital assets have started the holiday shortened week on a strong note, and Bitcoin emerged as one bright spot amid gloom in risky assets. The largest cryptocurrency by market cap has managed to reclaim the $70,000 mark. Ruchi Sharma joins us to tell us how global crypto market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading up by 5.4% at 90,600 points. It hasn't been just BTC, as Ethereum also put up a strong rally in what's often a positive sign for digital currencies. The US dollar drifted lower after the February new home sales data and ahead of PCE, Fed official speech extending helping hand to the cryptocurrency market. Meanwhile, the resurgence triggered liquidation worth $195 million of leveraged derivatives positions across all crypto assets, some $129 million of them being short positions seeking to profit from lower prices, CoinGlass data shows. Bitcoin short liquidations reached $53 million, less than the average daily figure of the recent period. In another news, London Stock Exchange said it will start a marketplace for Bitcoin and Ether exchange-traded notes. 9 new spot Bitcoin ETFs have gathered over $1.3 billion in just 6 days, with BlackRock's IBIT leading with a reserve of 242,829 BTC valued at $15.6 billion. Meanwhile, JP Morgan, a global investment bank, has warned that Bitcoin is still a overbought territory despite its recent price decline. Well, analysts also noted that profit-taking is more likely to continue as the halving event approaches, particularly against a positioning backdrop that still looks overbought despite the recent week's correction. In other interesting news, global investment company Bernstein continues to hold a bullish outlook on Bitcoin, the largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. Bernstein raised its year-end Bitcoin price forecast to $90,000 from $80,000 and updated estimates for mining stocks in its coverage, the broker said in a research report. The global cryptocurrency market cap was at $2.68 trillion mark, increasing 5% in the last 24 hours. However, the total trading volume increased by 44% to $117 billion. Crypto funds at asset managers such as BlackRock, Bitwise, Fidelity, Grayscale, ProShares, and 21 Shares registered record outflows totaling $942 million globally last week, according to CoinShares' latest report. Last week's outflows nearly doubled the prior record of $500 million set towards the end of January and followed a 7-week inflow streak totaling $12.3 billion. Interestingly, trading volume for crypto investment products dropped a third to $28 billion for the week. Furthermore, the US Securities and Exchange Commission is seeking fines of about $2 billion from Ripple Labs over its allegedly unlawful sales of the cryptocurrency XRP, the firm's chief legal officer said on Monday. Going forward, Australia and New Zealand banking group has partnered with Chainlink Labs to explore the use of on-chain digital assets for global movement and settlement. The collaboration aims to connect Avalanche and Ethereum blockchains, enabling uninterrupted delivery versus payment settlement of tokenized asset across the networks in multiple currencies. US stock futures traded higher after the major averages took a breather from their rally. Dow Jones Industrial Average Futures rose 0.11%. Futures tied to both the S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100 increased by 0.26% and 0.41% respectively. Bitcoin was trading at $70,620, up 5.5%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was up by 6%, trading at $3,652. BNB was up by 2.7% to trade at $595. Solana SOL was up 4% and was trading at $194. Cardano's ADA token was up by 4.7% to trade at $0.67. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $58, higher 3.2%. Polygon Matic was trading up by 4.3% to trade at $1.1. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading up by 7% at $0.18. Shiba Inu was trading up by 6%. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.64, up by 2.2%. Polkadot was up by 5.6% to trade at $10.
Thanks, Ruchi. And now back to the headlines. The London Stock Exchange has announced the launch of a market for Bitcoin and Ethereum exchange-traded notes. In a notice issued on Monday, the United Kingdom's major stock exchange said that the crypto ETNs will be rolled out on May 28. The stock exchange had earlier revealed that it would accept applications for the admission to trading of Bitcoin and Ethereum crypto ETNs in the second quarter of 2024. In the latest update, the London Stock Exchange said it will accept applications for trading these crypto ETNs from April 8, 2024. However, the market will be subject to the approval of UK regulator, the Financial Conduct Authority. Issuers that are proposing to establish a crypto ETN program to list their securities on the main market must submit the necessary documentation, including a base prospectus for FCA approval, latest by April 15, 2024. Global financial messaging network SWIFT is planning to launch a new platform within the next 1 to 2 years to integrate the forthcoming wave of central bank digital currencies with the existing financial system. With approximately 90% of the world's central banks exploring digital currency options, SWIFT's initiatives underscores a collective effort to keep pace with advancements in crypto like Bitcoin while grappling with technological intricacies. Nick Kerrigan, SWIFT's head of innovation, disclosed that the organization's latest trial, which lasted 6 months and involved nearly 40 central banks, commercial banks, and settlement platforms, marked one of the largest global collaborations on CBDCs and tokenized assets to date. In a blog announcement, SWIFT said that its connector was able to interlink multiple asset and cash networks and could facilitate atomic delivery versus payment across those platforms. According to the trial report, the pilot engaged central banks from several countries including Germany, France, and Australia, among others. The International Monetary Fund believes that digital money, both private and public, could help the world's most remote and dispersed nations in the Pacific Ocean to raise financial inclusion and the quality of financial services. On March 25th, the IMF published a report on the potential role of stablecoins and CBDCs on the economies of the Pacific Island countries. The IMF believes that these nations can benefit from the digital money revolution by developing payment systems, expanding financial inclusion, and mitigating the loss of correspondent banking relationships. The IMF discourages smaller Pacific Island countries from issuing their own sovereign stablecoins due to the lack of oversight capacities. However, the only private stablecoin explicitly mentioned in the report is Tether. Overall, the report states that the best option for PICs with existing national currency and mature banks is a two-tier CBDC, whereby the central bank issues but delegates the operation to private intermediaries. ARK Invest, the investment management firm founded by veteran investor Cathie Wood, started dumping large amounts of stock of the cryptocurrency-friendly broker-dealer Robinhood. On March 25th, ARK dumped 1.6 million Robinhood shares from its 3 funds. Well, the amount is worth $31.5 million based on HOOD's closing price of more than $19 on Monday, according to data from TradingView. The most significant portion, or 1,247,181 shares, was offloaded from the ARK Innovation ETF, worth about $24 million. Well, ARK also offloaded 275,933 and 128,137 HOOD shares from the ARK Next Generation Internet ETF and ARK FinTech Innovation ETF, respectively. ARK's latest Robinhood sale is the largest one since the company started actively stacking Hood stock last year. The sales came amid Robinhood seeing significant success, with its price surging 36% over the past 30 days. After dumping $24 million in Robinhood shares, ARK's ARK holds Hood as its 8th largest portfolio asset, accounting for 4.3% of its entire $8.2 billion assets under management. The top 3 assets are Coinbase, which accounts for 10.6% as of March 26, Tesla and Roku, which make up 8.4% and 7.5% respectively. And now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on buzzing coins of the day.
Let us have a look at the buzzing crypto watch list for today and the week ahead. First on the list, we have Plaid App. Plaid App is set to launch its blockchain mainnet on April 11th to expand its Web3 business and provide user-friendly services. The mainnet will operate through the Avalanche subnet, a low transaction cost and high scalability blockchain tailored for specific enterprises. It will serve as a native currency for Plaid App services, eliminating the need for gas fees in Ethereum or Polygon. The mainnet will also integrate a decentralized autonomous organization voting system. Next on the list, we have DogeCoin. DogeCoin whales have gained attention in the crypto world with nearly 1 billion Doge shifted in the past 24 hours. Doge's price has risen by 4.2%, currently trading at $0.1. The market capitalization has also increased by 4.28% and 24-hour trading volume has increased by 5%. CoinGlass's derivatives data shows an increased funding rate and open interest surge, indicating investor readiness to invest in long positions. Doge's price is above key bull market indicators. Next on the list, we have Shiba Inu. Bitcoin.com.au, Australia's oldest digital asset trading platform, has listed Shiba Inu, the second most popular cryptocurrency. Established in 2014, it serves around 300,000 customers across the country. CoinJar, the country's longest-running digital asset exchange, added support for Shiba in December 2021. Shiba Inu is more popular in Australia than established cryptocurrencies like XRP and Cardano. In late 2023, the Australian government proposed tighter regulations on cryptocurrency trading platforms, but his bill was rejected due to lack of detailed international alignment and potential adverse effects on the industry. Shiba Inu was trading up 5% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Avalanche. Australia and New Zealand banking group has partnered with Chainlink Labs to explore the use of on-chain digital assets for global movement and settlement. The collaboration aims to connect Avalanche and Ethereum blockchains, enabling uninterrupted delivery versus a payment settlement of tokenized assets across networks in multiple currencies. Chainlink Labs, a CCIP, abstracts the complexities of moving tokenized assets across various blockchains, ensuring atomic cross-chain delivery versus payment settlement. ANZ uses its Avalanche Evergreen subnet, leveraging Ethereum virtual machine compatibility, permissioning, and custom gas token features. Last on the list, we have Pepe. 2 large investors have purchased 560 billion Pepe coins, resulting in a 487% increase in the coin's price over the last month. One investor invested $3.8 million, split between $3.6 million USDC and 300 wrapped Bitcoin. The second trader traded 42.08 billion sheep coins and 64 ETH for 100 billion Pepe coins through Binance. The second trader now holds 300 billion Pepe coins valued at $2.46 million, with an estimated profit of $4.2 million, marking a 145% gain. These developments have sparked a positive outlook for Pepe and rekindled a market interest in purchasing the best meme coins.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.